What's up? Yeah, well, yeah. So I didn't go racing on the weekend. Didn't even go to Speedway. Ended up having a small op on my hand. I was cutting the windows out of the city for the derby the weekend before, and slipped and got a little on my hand, which was pathetic. It was the stupidest little cut I've ever had in my life. And yeah, what ended up happening was I ended up just ever so slightly nicking a nerve, and my thumb went numb and kind of a weird feeling whenever I bumped it, so I went and got it checked. And yeah, straight away sent me down to Lower Hutt for an operation. And I felt so pathetic in the ward. It was people with major dislocations and skin grafts, and there's me with an almost healed stab wound in the bed beside them. I'm like, this is pathetic, but all fixed, all repaired. Going in a few days, say a few, they said 10, to get the stitches removed, and yeah, we will see if I get all the sensation. Words are hard. Sensation back in my thumb. They said it could take weeks, could take months, but the surgeon's fairly confident with what she's done with the nerve. So yeah, well, that's my life. My update. So I forgot where I was because I just had to ignore a phone call. I got a phone call while I was recording, so I had to stop the video and take that, and I'm back. But yeah, just going down, help Jamie, hold things for him, just be an extra hand, because the other one doesn't do a hell of a lot at the moment. His car's pretty much done. I think it's just some panels and the front bumper. The front bumper could probably stay as it is. We'll just smash it off at the track, then fix it again. The rear quarter panels need a little bit of manipulation and some new panels welded on just to fill up some holes. The stock car motor I haven't seen for a little while, but Ben's been chipping away at that, so that's probably not far off being ready to go back in, maybe. I don't know, find out when I get there. I can probably do a little bit inside that. I can talk things up with my left hand. Yeah, and then it's my car. Not too sure what the goal is there. It's so close but so far at the same time. It hasn't, since the last time you've seen it, not a lot's changed. It's been pretty slack. But yeah, well, I'll see you down there. So Ben's been busy. Clutch, pressure plate, flywheel, all back on the freshly tagged motor. He's got a little overboard and he's painted the rocker cover, polished up all the intake side. Fucking giving the heat shield a bit of a love. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I think even the block's been painted. So yeah, it looks like we can probably drop it back in. Might try and do it tonight, and then yeah, see how we go. Pretty awesome. Bit of progress, which is cool. Yeah, talk to you soon. finished at the workshop. It's 11 o'clock. It's a bit of a late one. Got the engine back in the hole of the 97 dub, which is a relief. I didn't do a hell of a lot. I just supervised and yeah, passed tools and stuff, but did what I could. Jamie's bar work is all done now, so that's pretty good. I pulled the rear shocks out of the wagon, the soon to be 91 dub, because they're shot. So I'll find some new ones. I think I've got a pretty much new pair at home, so that'll be alright. Yeah, I don't really know. There's a couple of pictures and stuff that I've taken, but I'm shocking. When I'm at the workshop, I forget the video. And like I've said before, talking to you guys, even that sounds weird. Like, this feels weird to me, and in front of other people, I don't know, I just get all shy. I can't do it, but I've got to do something. I've started now, full commitment. Yeah, I'll chuck this video up soon. There's not a lot in it, to be fair. It's probably only be a few minutes, but it's an update. Yeah.